So I'm wiping down my car. Well, I'm putting Car Pro Reload on it, which is like a reload ceramic coating. But it's so humid in this garage. Like I can only do like 1 or 2 panels at a time. Then I go back in the house to take a break. I don't know how people work like outside or anywhere at all. It's crazy. Unless I'm just like so used to being inside and in the air. No, that can't be it. But I got like this done, the other side done, and the top of the car done. I need to do the back and the front and wipe off the wheels and clean the exhaust. I'm not going to clean under the hood right now because I don't want to, and it's probably not that dirty because I haven't taken it out that much in the rain. But I guess we should just take a look just in case so we can have an idea of how dirty it is for next time we clean it. I'm afraid of looking under the hood because I'm like, oh, if it's dirty, then that means I have to clean it. But no, it doesn't mean that because I didn't wash it when I washed the car. So any dirt, oh, you can't even see because it's so dark in here. No, it looks pretty clean, but any dirt that would be on there, I would have to wash with soap and water first. I can't just wipe it down. Maybe just a little fine bit of dirt, but nothing to worry about. All right, I didn't do much today. It's 9:30 at night, but this closet's done. The wall anchors came in the mail. I don't remember if I told you, but I started filling the back holes with epoxy to try to epoxy the screws in instead of getting the wall anchors. So I did drill out the epoxy in there and then put in the wall anchors, but I don't know why. I'm just super tired and unmotivated to do stuff, I guess, just because things got like kind of overwhelming today. And whenever things get overwhelming, I'm like, yeah, no, I'm not. I don't remember where these things used to be, so I just stuck them there. I liked where they used to be, I just don't remember where they were. So neat, organized cleaning closet. And I have my BMW back car seats in there. Car seats like I'm a baby. Rear seats. And I got the pruners in the mail too, so I can trim the front bush. I'm gonna wait on that because my garbage can's full and I don't really have anywhere to put the trimmings. Well, 11:36 now. I did make up. I think I can start working out in the mornings again because if I'm just gonna be lazy anyway and not work during the day when I'm supposed to, like the reason I stopped working out is so that I can get some more work done, but I'm not even doing that. So to make up for me being super lazy today, I did get a couple things off my list done, which I got the closet done wherever that is. And then I just cleaned my shower and I just spackled the bathroom thing. So cleaning the shower, it looks so good, but it took me so long. But there's this spackle thing. It was just some marks in the side of there that I wanted to fix. And the shower looks like so clean now. It's like not a speck of dirt on it. And the good thing, and I did order one of these shower head things, a new one, not the same style because it's kind of big and bulky. I did order a new one of those, and I ordered a 12-pack of these things so that they look better. I get new ones. It was only like $10 for 12 of them, but shower is clean. There was something else I want to say. I want to clean this thing too because this has like brown marks on it. I don't know why. Also, I'm thinking more now about painting. Ooh, stuff falling camera. I'm thinking more now about painting this white. Not the same color as the trim, so not like a gloss white, maybe like a matte white. Probably the same color white, just a matte white. Because, I don't know. That's a weird angle. I just think it'll look good with everything else that's white in here. The plan was to paint it a darker color. If I painted a darker color, it's gonna stand out. And I don't really want it to stand out. And also if I paint it a darker color, everything else always has to match that darker color. So it'll give me less options if I want to change these carpets in the future, the bath rugs. Plus, like it being white, it'll look a lot cleaner. And a white bathroom will look clean and be inviting and look clean. The other thing, like I could paint it the platinum color that I want to do the doors in. So this door, like all the doors in the house, I want to do in this platinum color, which I'll show you guys right now. So one color I haven't revealed yet because I just picked it out a couple weeks ago. The colors, we'll take them in the bathroom. You'll actually have a say in this. Like, let me know what you guys think on what color I should paint this because I'm not going to be doing this for a few weeks or at least, so it'll be after this video gets uploaded. But this is the color that the bathroom's painted, and this is the platinum color. Up against the white, it would look just a little bit different. So the doors would be this color, and I could do that. Let's stick it somewhere, maybe right there. I could do that in that color. That actually, yeah, so it's either white or that color. I'm not sure yet. All right, I may be going just a bit overboard with this because I just ironed my bath towels. Do people do this that aren't hotels?